Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marina, and today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in mine and my daughter's hospital bag. I'll be 29 weeks pregnant tomorrow, and tomorrow is actually my scheduled C-section, so I'm getting this done a little late. And I'm just using a duffel bag for mine and my husband's stuff. So it is a C-section and we will be there 2 to 4 days. I'm hoping only 2 days. And the first thing that I have here is some sandals, because for sure I'm going to be showering there and just want to make sure I have something clean for my feet. I'll show you right now. And then obviously we have a nursing bra. I just got this one from Amazon. It is a belly band, so I can use it right after. I'm not too sure when I can start using it, but I'll just ask the nurses. I got one that was recommended for C-sections. I will have it linked down below. I haven't even opened it, but this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're in July, so that's why we're hearing fireworks. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty excited about it. I didn't use anything like this when I had my first daughter. And then I also got myself a robe. This one's also from Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. I just got a robe because those gowns that they give you, they're open from the back, so I can just wear this on top. And there's a little belt. And then of course I'm taking four, oh no, those are socks. I'm taking 3 of the granny panties. I got them, I think, a size bigger than I usually wear. And then this will be my outfit to go home in. I got this cute little dress from Old Navy, so I'll be going home in this one. And then I just have this to go over it. Oh my gosh, these fireworks. Okay. And in this pocket, let me just wait. I have all our toiletries. We have some soap, mouthwash. I have my body wash, my husband's deodorant, toothpaste. He got, this is what he got for his shampoo. And then shampoo and conditioner. Hopefully I won't have to wash my hair there. I just washed it today, so we'll see how it goes. And he got some conditioner for his beard, and we didn't want to take our electric toothbrushes, so we just got these so we can just toss them once we're done. I'm sure my dogs are freaking out because of all these fireworks. I am also taking the boppy. This one came in handy when I had my first daughter. It was just easy just to take it to so I can breastfeed. And then this is the bag that we got for my daughter. I'll have it linked down below. I'll just show you what's in here first. So I got some pacifier wipes, and then I think some boogie wipes. I don't remember having any of this stuff when I had her, so just trying to remember. Let's see. I packed this a while ago, so I don't know what else is in here. Okay, I have a little case for the pacifiers. I probably should have looked through this before. Okay, so I have some wipes, and I'm taking some diapers. I don't think I'll need them, but it's just in case she has some kind of reaction to the wipes or diapers that they have there. And I'm taking a swaddle blanket. Those are lifesavers. And let me show you what outfits we have. Oh, I love this. We got this for our baby shower, so I was thinking of taking like a little newborn picture with her wearing this. And then we have this little outfit, newborn. I got everything newborn because she is measuring pretty small. And my goodness, those fireworks. Okay, and then this little onesie. And then I think she's gonna take this one home. It just says welcome home. And then just in case, so my surgery is July 1st. Just in case we go home a little late, this is will be her 4th of July outfit. Hopefully not though. Okay, I think that is everything. All my husband has to do is pack his stuff. I will be taking a curling iron, my brush, and of course our chargers. I wish I would have got this video out a little later, I mean a little earlier, so you guys could tell me if I was missing anything, but I think they're pretty much gonna have everything there for us. I hope I am not missing anything. We'll see, we'll find out when we're there. But my husband is able to leave the hospital. They just changed the rules a week ago. Before they were saying that we would have to take everything up and he's not able to leave, but now he is. So if we are missing anything, he can just come back to the house and grab it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Next time you see us, we'll be having our little baby here. So excited. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sleep, but I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.